Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair JBL Tune 220 with your Android phone or Android tablet. Okay, so first of all, before the pairing, just remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case. Charge them for like 20 minutes with this micro USB port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, when you do this, just simply open this charging case. And as you can see inside, we can find case indicators and the earbuds indicators. When you take them out of this charging case, you will hear the notification sound that they are turned on, and also they will start blinking, just like that. The blue and the white on the right headphone, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So all you have to do right now is just to go to the Bluetooth settings on your Android device, then click to pair new device, and from the list you have to pick the JBL Tune 220, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. You cannot pair them with the headphones application from JBL. They doesn't have access to work properly with this application. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.